Nyata, hello everyone. Today I just thought I would do a quick little video for you to show you a game that I often play in the kindergartens with the animals and the Aboriginal art symbols for those animals' footprints. So this is quite a fun game that the children like to join in, and I'm going to show you how you can easily make some resources to play this game. So to play this game, I'll have the animals sitting around a campfire, and I have another piece of blue material to be a water hole. Haven't actually got the blue material with me at the moment because Charlie's got it. And I have a set of cards that has a picture of the animal on one side, and on the other side is the Aboriginal art symbol for the track that they make. And I asked the children to look at the animals around the campfire, and as I hold up each card showing the animal track first, I asked them to guess which animal they think would make that track. And then I turn the card around to show them the animal. You'll find the children are usually pretty good at picking which animal the track belongs to. Then I show the children the animal tracks on the stones. If you haven't got stones, you could even use pieces of cardboard. So then the idea is that we turn the stones with the picture face down. And the children get to come and choose a stone one at a time. And they pick up a stone, any stone, and they turn it over to see what animal it is. This one's actually a person sitting. So then they go to the campfire and find the animal or the person sitting, and they take it over to the water hole so it can have a drink. And they leave the animal in the water hole, and then the next child can have a turn. When they run out of animals to go to the water hole, they can bring the animals back again, and they turn the stone over to reveal what animal track is there. So that's a fun way of teaching the children the different Aboriginal symbols for the animal tracks. Now, if you haven't got any of the animals, you could even print off a picture of the animal and have it sitting down on the ground for children to take to the water hole. If you haven't got any stones, remember, you could make up cards with the different animal tracks. So just drawing the different animal tracks on the cards and printing them out, and you could use them if you haven't got any stones. Another fun game that I often like to play with the kindergarten kids is matching. So once they've learned the animal tracks, I made a set of cards, and one of them has an animal track on them and the other one has a picture. So we mix them all up, and we get the children to sit in their yarning circle, and we give the children a card each, put it face down so the picture's not showing, until all the children have got their card. And then you can tell them to turn their card over, and some of them will have a track and some of them will have a picture of an animal. And what they've got to do is find the person with the matching animal or symbol. So that's another fun way of learning the Aboriginal art symbols as well. Once you become more confident in using a bit of the local language, you can start using the animals' Aboriginal names when you play that game. It all takes time, but the kids are pretty quick at catching on, and they have lots of fun playing that game. So that's just some ideas that you can use in your centre to help the children learn not only the animal names in the Aboriginal language, but also the symbols, the Aboriginal art symbols for each of those animals. Now I will also send you a file with the animals, the pictures of the animals and the animal tracks, so that you can print them off if you want to. So I hope you enjoy and can make use of that resource in your centre. I'll see you again soon. Warwick.